Dear children, very good morning. Welcome back to our political science second lesson. Once again, in the last class we were going through the area of what are the role of a democratic government like that of India in providing healthcare facilities to the public, and through these policies how much it was found to be beneficial. That means what are the achievements. Let me believe all these areas are clear for you, right? Okay. So today let us go through the through a story first. Okay. In your textbook itself, you could see the story of Hakim Sheikh. What? Hakim Sheikh belongs to Bengal. Yes, in Bengal, this Hakim Sheikh was a member of a agricultural laborer association. The name of that association was PBKMS. Tell me, PBKMS. Paschima Bengal Khet Mazdoor Sangh or Samidhi. Paschima Bengal Khet Mazdoor Samiti member. He was a member. One day he had to face a peculiar trouble. He was falling. At that time, he was sentenced to a great head injury. And normally or naturally, he will be taken to a hospital. No, he was contacted. No, he is a very poor farmer. Yes, we know that these farmers, most of these farmers or these agricultural laborers are coming from poor strata of society, poor family background, poor financial background like that. No, anyway, this Hakim Sheikh was coming from a poor family background, and he was taken to almost 8 hospitals by continuously approaching one after another. You know, when he approached one hospital, that hospital authorities told him that we are not ready to admit you because here there is no facilities. Then he was contacting another hospital, and from there the reply or response was, what do you know? Yes, here doctor bed is not available. Sufficient beds are not available for such a critical patient. Anyway, then again he was approaching another hospital. Then they told him that here there is no specified doctors. You can go to another hospital quickly, fast, fast like that. Anyway, but in this critical condition, very bad condition, head injury, the blood was flowing in a larger amount, quantity, yet the doctors or hospitals were not ready to admit this patient. And after continuous flowing of this blood, after continuous approaching of the many, almost 8 hospitals they were contacting, but lastly they were approaching to a private hospital where he had to spend a lot of money to get cured. You know, this man, this Hakim Sheikh is coming from a very poor background. So, what is the role of the government? How can the government support? Yes, now we are stepping into that area. What are the differences or dissimilarities between private healthcare on one side and public healthcare on the next side? Private healthcare means the private persons, they are handling hospital, they are running hospital, and in the case of public hospital everything will be controlled and run by government officials. Let's check which are the important area that we could mark, we could identify in the case of public healthcare. First, ready? Okay, so listen very carefully. What are the public healthcare facilities? We know that in the last class we were touching about many PHCs were erected. Many primary health centers should have to be formed or established by the government. You know that this public healthcare is actually a chain of institution, a chain of health centers. You know, in the local basis, concentrating to a peculiar locality, maybe in town area or maybe in rural area or urban area. The chain of public health centers are being found. And if that a peculiar disease could not be cured from this primary health center, they will refer automatically to the next one. Which is the next one, it will be district hospital. And in the case of certain critical diseases, if it could not be cured from that hospital, they will automatically refer to the medical colleges. So we could see a chain of institutions in public health care. It is efficiently running. It is efficiently running, we know that. Yes, so listen very carefully. First of all, it is private hospital, public hospital, that is primary health centers, PHC. In one PHC itself, there may be many villages may be approaching that one. And from there, it will be going to the district hospital. From the district hospital, they may be going to this medical colleges like that. We know that in all district of in Kerala itself, there is no medical colleges other. In Kozhikode one is that's Kozhikode Medical College. Okay, we know that. And what are the important features of public hospital that is found in India? Yes, this primary health centers are seen not only in urban area, they are seen in rural areas also. And another one, it may cover many villages that I told you earlier. And another one, that is it will be affordable to the poor people. That is the highlight and point. All the people can contact this hospital, even though their pocket is filled or their pocket is empty. All the people, especially, they are focusing on what type of people, on poor people. So poor people will not be denied health care or treatment simply because they have nothing to spend. In the case of me, for example, if I am suffering a lot of problem, financial problem, I can approach public hospital in the least cost method or the least, yes, a very little amount I can pay, or no cost or low cost. Yes, and another important factor, another important criteria, characteristics of this public hospital is, they can take or they are found to be taking quick response at the time of communicable diseases that we have seen in the last class, right? Yes, at the time of spreading diseases, these government hospitals or public hospitals are doing their level best, not trying their level best, they are doing their level best, right? Yes, they can because there is a high systematic method for running for this hospital. You know that in these hospitals, what type of hospital will be occupied? Yes, very expert, so skilled, so educated and well experted doctors may be found. And another one, but there are certain minus points, certain disadvantages. We know that in public health care, the patients are not getting that adequate treatment. There may be hospitals, but without any doctors. There may be that means pharmacy, but without any adequate medical facilities, medicines. And another important or the very bad point or demerit that can be highlighted in public health care is corruption. What is the meaning of corruption? Yes, but they are ready to buy or ready to accept bribe. Yes, for example, in the case of a doctor, maybe a lady doctor or a male doctor, if the patient part or if the patient or the bystanders of the patient, they are ready to give secret amount of money to them. That's called corruption. Then this patient will be assured what correct treatment. Is it good or bad? Is it right or wrong? Not at all right. Yes, it is very bad. So these are the characteristics of public healthcare in India. Then let's go to the private healthcare. What all we were discussing in the case of public hospitals or government hospitals, just opposite is seen in private healthcare facilities. We know that the experience of our Ranjit, right? Yes, Ranjit, even though he was caught by a little fever, soon after finding that the body temperature is high, the parents will be taking and running to the private hospitals and with a filled pocket and focusing on this pocket full money, the private hospitals will utilize it. They will exploit this weakness. What is the weakness? They are overcaring their children, and this overcare may lead to malpractice from the part of the authorities who are running private hospitals. Many, what are the peculiarities? Many unnecessary tests they will be referring. Unnecessary for a simple disease itself, they will be referring or advising to take many tests, laboratory tests, X-ray, scanning, etc., etc. And another one, yes, a lot of medicine will be prescribed. A lot of high cost medicine will be prescribed, and there also corruption. Actually, these private hospitals, most probably we could see that, or we could say that they are running on corruption basis. Yes, it is actually should not be happen in a country like that of India, where a democratic system of administration is carrying on. Anyway, these are the differences between private hospitals on one side and private public hospital on next side. So what are the difference? Can we concise this? Can we summarize this? Yes, in the case of private hospital, the treatment will be given in a friendly basis. Maximum treatment they will be giving. But that maximum include unnecessary medicines and unnecessary tests, medical tests. But in the case of a government hospital, if the case is in a critical stage also, government hospitals could not arrange sufficient treatment to the patients because of the lack of facilities in the hospitals. And what about the surrounding? The surrounding area of private hospitals are found to be more tidy and neat. But the government hospital, the surrounding area, the environment or surrounding will be very pathetic in condition, critical in condition. And but in the case of the quick service, which hospital is highlighted, yes, quick service, especially in the case of emergencies, these government officials are found to be actively participating to take care of the people who are living in their area, their territory. And another one, in the case of public hospital, there will be a chain of institutions. Which are the three important links in the same chain? First one, it is PHC or primary health center. Next one, it is a district level hospital. Next one, it will be medical colleges, like that, etc., etc. So I think this area is clear for you. Is it? Yes. So let's step into the responsibility of government. Responsibility of government we have already taught in the last class, right? Then what is there in Kerala? What is the condition of Kerala in this regard? Kerala, Kerala government is imparting almost 40 percentage of its budget for health care nowadays. What is the meaning of budget? Anyone know? What is the meaning of budget? Budget. Yes, D is silent. What is the meaning of budget? Yes, it is an estimate, a calculated amount of income and expenditure. Incomings and outgoing. What's how much amount should be left apart for income? What are the sources of income? How much we can expect? And what are the possible areas of expenses? Such an estimate is called what budget. Yearly budget you might have heard, seen, sorry, heard. Okay, in the budget, almost 40% of this budget is found to be put aside for healthcare in Kerala. It's a great thing, you know, that the life expectancy of Kerala people is found to be more highlighted among other states of India. And in the case of the child mortality, infant mortality is the rate is very low, decrease level. So these are all the results of this policy adapted by Kerala government. In case of any political party is ruling or Kerala, all the political parties are doing this perfectly, more or less perfectly they are doing. Okay, and what is the a peculiar country is being highlighted in your book, that is Costa Rica. You might have heard of this Costa Rica. Yes, Costa Rica is a very famous country in Central America. Is in Costa Rica, you know, Costa Rica, they were taking a fine decision. What was the decision, you know? Yes, they put an end. They started putting an end to spend money for army, navy, and air force. You know, defense. In the case of defense, they are spending least cost. But this amount that they were planning to share for this defense purpose, nowadays they are sharing for healthcare facilities. Healthcare facilities, you know, which are the facilities? Sanitation, pure drinking water, and quick response to the communicable diseases, and nutritious food is very a highlighted point. It means it should be given more important, significant one. Yes, nutritious food, sanitation, then what? Yeah, pure drinking water, then uh, yes, water facility, nutrition, sanitation, and one more thing, it is health education. We know that we are discussing in the last but one class, right? Yes, that is before the last class. You know, what is the education? What is the importance with regard to in connection with healthcare? Yes, people have the right to get aware in their mind. If they are getting an opportunity to live in a tidy atmosphere, in a neat atmosphere, in a clean atmosphere, then also they will be living in an untidy or dirty atmosphere. That is simply because they don't know. They don't know the importance of the neatness. So there arises the issue of or the question of education, right education, to lead the people in the right path. What is needed? A healthcare policies through wide and popular means of education. These all areas were emphasized by Costa Rica, and what is the result? You know, yes, the result is highly appreciable in that country, and the patients, the healthcare facilities are found to be so beneficial to the people as a whole. So, what were the area that we were touching today? Yes, the experience, a bad experience of this what sheikh? Yes, Hakim Sheikh, right? And another one, what are the differences or what are the facilities that are found in the case of private healthcare on one side and public healthcare on the next side. Another one, what is the policy adopted by our government, Kerala government, and what is the result? And last area, what is special with Costa Rica in Central America? Okay, is it every area is clear for you? Let me believe so. In case of doubts, I will be clearing for you. So see you in the next class. Thank you so much. Goodbye.